Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to get high and low price labels on TradingView. Firstly, go to TradingView.com and open your desired chart. Click on the indicators button in the top of the chart. In the search box, type bar stats hover or historical bar stats. Now click on the add indicator to your chart. Move your mouse over any candle on the chart. You will see a pop-up label near the high or low displaying open, high, low, close and change, percentage change, volume and volume, percentage versus 50-day average and distance to selected moving average. This tool works on the last 500 historical bars. If you're using bar replay, it will function within 500 bars from the last candle. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.